They make this seem so easy on Instagram. Me and my wife 𝐵𝐶𝐻𝐿 have been coming back to this place a few times now.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
And what started as my favorite valley has quickly become our favorite valley. Every time we visit this place, we discover something new. Something new to see, new people to meet, and more important, something new about ourselves. New sights only revealed after spending a night out in the mountains. We rediscover time, conversation, and the simple blessings of a campfire, replacing Succession Season 4. It is simply life. And photography. Let's not forget about photography. That is, after all, what my channel is about. That and hiking, of course, and friendship, and moments, music, skateboarding, snorkeling, animals, grandparents, fathers, art, exploration, life. And everybody makes it seem so easy.
Right behind me now you can see the beautiful valley 𝐔𝐿𝐄𝐃. Might be one of my favorite places here on earth, and I decided not to make a video this time because I'm here with my wife 𝐵𝐶𝐻𝐿 and we're just gonna have a good time, not focusing on too much photography but focusing on having a good time and just enjoying this beautiful day. We camped right down there and we've seen all the waterfalls so far. We got one waterfall left actually, 𝐶𝐿𝐿, and after that we're just gonna go head back to camp and enjoy the evening. I just want to do a quick update on my channel, and I know it's been a bit quiet lately, and that's because I've been releasing a new band that I've been working on for almost 6 months now. So I made a lot of videos, and me and 𝐵𝐶𝐿 and a fellow called Andreas, we've written upwards towards 20 songs, and we're soon gonna head into studio. So I've been working a lot with that band. So that's why it's been a bit quiet lately on my channel. But I hope to remedy that during the summer and have more hikes. So this is almost like I'm getting back into its hike. And what better place to head back into camping than this place? It never gets old, never gets old. So enjoy. Here are a few photographs from this little hike. I hope you like it.
I don't say this too often, but I just wanted to let you know that I'm very grateful for all the people who continues to watch my videos and all who have been supporting me throughout the years, either with nice comments or by purchasing my book or a vinyl record or my prints. Thank you kindly. I will continue posting videos on this channel at my own pace, and I will also post videos on Instagram and the social pages of my bands Revehiet and Rags and Feathers. Links to those pages are in the description if you want to check them out as well. Until next time, thanks a lot for watching, and happy hiking.